Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited for today's video because we're diving into something that's a game changer for all you traders and investors out there. Today, we're going to review the audiobook Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns by none other than Thomas Bulkowski. If you've been around the world of stock trading or chart analysis, you've probably heard of this book, but if you're new, this review is definitely for you. Now, if you're looking to level up your understanding of technical analysis, this audiobook is absolutely essential. Bulkowski is a legend in the world of chart patterns, and this book serves as a comprehensive guide to recognizing and understanding various chart formations that can help with making better trading decisions. Whether you're a beginner just learning about technical patterns or an experienced trader looking for a solid reference, this audiobook has something for everyone. So in this video, we'll be covering the key takeaways from the audiobook, and I'll also give you my thoughts on how well it translates as an audiobook. Because let's be real, sometimes complex material like this can be hard to absorb just by listening. But trust me, Bulkowski does an amazing job of breaking things down. Before we get into the details, let me just give you a quick overview of the Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns. It's packed with more than 50 different chart patterns, each explained with real-world examples, and even better, Bulkowski includes stats on how each pattern performs in the market. This makes it not just a theoretical resource, but a practical one too. It's like a dictionary, but for chart patterns, and each entry is designed to give you everything you need to know to start using that pattern in your trading. Today, I'll be focusing on just 5 key points from this audiobook that stood out to me. I'll also let you know if this book is really worth the listen, especially for those of you who prefer audiobooks over traditional reading. So stay tuned as we break it down, and if you're interested in chart patterns, technical analysis, or just improving your trading game, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Let's get started. Chapter 1, How to Trade Chart Patterns. Chapter 1 of Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns serves as an introduction to the book's approach, methodology, and purpose in analyzing chart patterns. Thomas Bulkowski lays the groundwork for traders and analysts by explaining how patterns can be used to anticipate price movements and improve trading performance. Key points from Chapter 1. Purpose of the book. The book aims to provide a statistical and practical analysis of various chart patterns. Bulkowski emphasizes using historical performance data to evaluate the reliability of patterns. Pattern identification and classification. The book categorizes patterns into bullish and bearish formations. Each pattern is examined in terms of breakout direction, failure rates, and expected performance. Statistical approach. Bulkowski's analysis is based on extensive backtesting of historical price charts. He assigns success probabilities to patterns rather than relying on subjective interpretations. How to use the book. Readers should understand that patterns do not guarantee results but indicate probabilities. Bulkowski recommends combining patterns with other forms of technical analysis, e.g., volume, support, resistance. Trade execution and risk management. The importance of stop-loss placement and position sizing is discussed. Patterns should be used with risk management strategies to enhance profitability. Conclusion. Chapter 1 lays the foundation for understanding how chart patterns can be used as a trading tool. Bulkowski's data-driven approach helps traders move beyond intuition and apply probability-based decision-making to improve trade execution and risk management. Chapter 2, Testing Chart Patterns. Chapter 2 of Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns is focused on how chart patterns are tested and evaluated for their effectiveness in real trading scenarios. Bulkowski provides a systematic approach to analyzing chart patterns by using statistical methods and real market data. Key concepts in Chapter 2. Pattern identification and classification. Bulkowski explains the importance of correctly identifying chart patterns. He categorizes patterns based on breakouts, upward or downward, continuation versus reversal, and frequency of occurrence. Data selection and testing approach. He emphasizes using historical price data across different time periods to ensure reliability. The testing methodology avoids bias by analyzing patterns in various market conditions. Success rate and performance metrics. Patterns are evaluated based on success rates, meaning how often they lead to expected price movements. Performance metrics include breakout direction, up or down, percentage of successful trades following a pattern, average price movement after breakout measured in percentage or points. False breakouts and failure rates. The chapter discusses failed patterns which do not lead to expected movements. Bulkowski provides failure statistics to help traders avoid unreliable patterns. Volatility and pattern reliability. The role of market volatility in affecting pattern performance is analyzed. Some patterns work better in high volatility conditions, while others are more effective in stable markets. Volume considerations. Volume analysis is included to validate chart patterns. Patterns with high volume confirmation tend to be more reliable. Statistical summary of patterns. Each chart pattern is given a probability-based assessment to help traders make informed decisions. Takeaway for traders: not all patterns work consistently. Understanding historical performance and failure rates can improve decision-making. Testing patterns against different market conditions enhances accuracy. Volume and volatility are critical factors in determining pattern success. Chapter 3: Major Bear Market Patterns. Chapter 3 of Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns focuses on major bear market patterns, which are critical for identifying potential downtrends in the stock market. Bulkowski analyzes various chart patterns that signal bearish reversals or continuations, providing statistical insights into their reliability. Key points covered in the chapter. Definition of bear market patterns. These patterns indicate a potential downturn in stock prices, often form at the end of an uptrend or during a market correction. Understanding these patterns can help traders minimize losses and capitalize on short selling opportunities. Common bearish chart patterns. Head and shoulders. A highly reliable reversal pattern that signals the transition from a bullish to a bearish trend. Double top occurs when a stock hits a resistance level twice before declining, indicating a failed breakout attempt. Triple top, similar to the double top but with 3 peaks, reinforcing bearish sentiment. Descending triangle, a continuation pattern where price repeatedly tests a support level before breaking downward. Bearish rectangle, price consolidates within a horizontal range before breaking lower. Falling wedge, initially appears bullish but can lead to further price declines. Performance statistics. Bulkowski provides extensive backtested data on the probability of pattern failure, average price declines, and expected returns for each pattern. Certain patterns, like the head and shoulders top, have a higher predictive value for bear markets. Trading strategies. How to confirm bearish patterns using volume and other indicators. Setting stop-loss levels to manage risk. Best entry and exit strategies for short trades. Real-world examples. Bulkowski uses historical stock charts to illustrate how these patterns have played out in past bear markets. Takeaway Chapter 3 is essential for traders looking to anticipate market downturns. It provides a statistical and visual breakdown of bearish chart patterns, helping traders refine their technical analysis skills. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and insights.